What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over our friend Polygon, Matic, and Ethereum. Currently, we're sitting at 81 cents, down 1.4 on the day. Sitting market cap of 7.02 B. 24-hour volume, 216 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bitget, make sure to sign up. Grab up to 8K in bonuses or Bybit up to 30,000 in bonuses. Make your first deposit. Email me your sign-up email. Free access to my Discord, over 2,000 members. Bitget and Bybit are where I do my trading and investing. So we're looking for a wave 5 for Matic. We talked about the potential of pushing up from here in a wave 2, but I did say that my primary expectation was still looking for a wave 5. And as you can see, it looks like we have a little bit of a head and shoulders pattern. So if you take a measurement of the neckline, we already broke the neckline, retested it. So the technical target would take you down. Oh, gee whizzikers. The technical target would take you down to about 0.078, but the normal target for a wave 5, if you take a trend-based sub extension from the top of wave 2 to the bottom of wave 3 to the top of wave 4, you're looking for a 618 extension, which is currently coming in at 0.758, and that's where you'd look for a wave 5 and then potential to see a bounce. If we do bounce up from here, it just means that the 5-wave move is already complete. But personally, I think we're going to see one more lower low before potentially seeing a bounce. We have to watch this head and shoulders. It's about to break the neckline, so do watch that very, very closely, because if we do break the neckline here and we come back up for a retest, we get rejected. Good night, Irene. We're coming down to 50 cents. I do think we're coming down there eventually anyways. That is my target, the 40 to 50 cent range, and a wave 2 pullback before pushing up in a potential wave 3. And having the market turn around in April to May, in my opinion. It will be slow and gradual. It won't be super quick, and I think the bull market will really get going in 2024, which is a ways away, and it will be worth it in the end. If you 2 to 3 years, you 10-20x your investments, even more, can change your life. So what a dumb laugh that was. Anyways, so this is what we're looking at for ETH as well, that we're coming down in a wave 5. So take a trend-based extension from the top of wave 2 to the bottom of wave 3, top of wave 4. If we were to break down from here, then you would target the 618 at a minimum, which is coming in at 1127 for wave 5, and then potentially push up in that wave 2. If we do bounce from here, as mentioned in the previous video, that's where you'd look for a rejection, but I'm still looking for that wave 5. All right, gang. Looking here on the daily time frame, as you can see, we are sitting on support for Ethereum. Where are we? Right here. Previous support right here. We had some resistance in this area. If we scroll back, we had, right where the price is, we had previous support. So there is potential to see a bounce pretty soon here for ETH. As you can see on the weekly time frame, we just failing to get back above the 20 EMA, continuing to be pressed down, creating lower lows and lower highs, and eventually coming down to 800 in my opinion. Take it with a grain of salt. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a young guy from Canada. All right, gang, that's what I'm looking for, is a wave 5 to at least 1126. If we were to bounce from here, then all that means is the 5-wave move is complete. But personally, I think we're going to see one more lower low. We'll see what happens during the New York trading hours. And same for Matic. We have a small head and shoulders. Technical target would take you down here to about 78 cents. And a normal extension for a wave 5 is 0.758. But of course, any break below the wave 3, the wave 5 can end, but that's the target zone we're looking for. So we'll see. I think we're going to see a lower low, but if we do bounce, look for a rejection in between 0.857 and 0.902 for Matic, and just keep a close eye on that head and shoulders. Smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Sign up to Bitget or Bybit. Grab those bonuses. Email me your sign up email after you make your first deposit. Free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. At the 10 USD membership, you get access to my signals, my analysis. You can see what I'm doing with my HODL alt plays. For the price of a Netflix subscription, you really can't beat it. Definitely recommend giving it a try. Smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.